Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Mel Mariano nagpapasalamat kina Donnie Pangilinan at sa mga Don Bell fans. Dahil sa kanila ay wala siya sa kinaroroonan niya ngayon. Alam mo yon, kahit ang dami niya nang naabot, wala pa rin siyang pinagbago eh. Siya pa rin ang mabait at napaka-humble na Bel Mariano. Wala siyang bahid ng kayabangan. Ito nga, panoorin niyo ang mensahe ni Bel kay Donnie at sa mga Don Bell fans out there.
Now, dito naman tayo sa isang question also from our online viewers. Don Bell has been going strong for 5 years now. What can you say to Donnie and to your Don Bell fans?
To Donnie, well, thank you. You know, he's so supportive. He really is. And I wouldn't be here without him, you know? So I'm very grateful for him and to our supporters. Grabe yung suporta nila. Like, after 5 years, they're there and parang hindi namin sila supporters, parang pamilya namin sila. And nakakatuwa, like, whenever I attend, like, anniversary ng fandom or nakakatuwa na they're more than just supporters. They're actually friends with one another. They've created that environment with one another na parang magkakaibigan sila. So, nakakatuwa seeing that and we love you.